Getting started with a low-carb diet can be intimidating. You might be worried that you'll feel deprived or hungry without the carbs, but cutting carbs is easy, and a low-carb diet is better at controlling hunger than a high-carb diet. In this video, I share 5 food swaps from breakfast to dessert that will effortlessly and deliciously cut more than 100 carbs out of your day. These foods in front of me represent a low-carb diet from breakfast to dessert. I'm going to compare each item to a food from a typical high-carb diet. Each of the food swaps is comparable in calories. So let's start with breakfast. A lot of people choose to eat cereal in the morning. A cup of Cheerios with a half cup of skim milk has 147 calories and 26.6 grams of carbs. If you swap that breakfast for 2 eggs, you'll consume about the same number of calories, but only 1.1 gram of carbs. So right from the start of your day, you are saving yourself more than 25 carbs and consuming more healthy fat and protein, which is going to help you stay satisfied longer. If we take a look at lunch, we can compare a sandwich to a salad. Using a 6-inch Subway restaurant turkey and veggie sub with no mayonnaise as an example, we see that it provides about 334 calories and 43.7 grams of carbs. If we swap that for this salad that contains about 4 cups of greens, half of a small apple, feta cheese, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and oil and vinegar dressing, we again save ourselves more than 25 carbs. And we get a lot more volume, healthy fats, and fiber, which are things that will keep hunger away for you. Let's move into the afternoon, and let's say that you saved the 1-ounce bag of potato chips from Subway to have as an afternoon snack. That bag contains about 150 calories and 15.3 grams of carbohydrates. Swap those chips for an ounce of raw almonds, and you get about the same number of calories, but save more than 9 grams of carbs. And again, the added protein, fat, and fiber in the nuts will cut hunger for hours to come, whereas when we get to the bottom of a bag of potato chips, most of us are wishing that there were more. If we look at dinner, a typical dinner for standard American diet is spaghetti and meatballs. This is a carb-heavy meal. Even if you have a small dinner made up of just 1 cup of pasta, half a cup of sauce, and 3 meatballs, you'll get more than 58 grams of carbohydrates. If we swap that for a low-carb dinner with a meat or fish and a vegetable, we cut carbs dramatically, yet still have a hearty meal. For instance, this serving of sausage and sauerkraut contains about the same number of calories, but cuts the carbs down to just under 10 grams. Lastly, a standard American dessert is ice cream, which is a very calorie-dense and nutrient-poor treat. If we compare 1 cup of plain vanilla ice cream with 1 cup of full-fat yogurt with chia seeds, sunflower seeds, and blueberries mixed in, we save ourselves many carbs and boost the nutrition of the dessert by a mile. The cup of ice cream contains 34 grams of carbohydrates. The yogurt contains fewer calories and cuts your carb intake by more than 7 grams. Not only that, but the yogurt with seeds and berries provides a ton more micronutrients, fiber, and protein. Those additional nutrients will make you feel full and make it easy for you to avoid late-night snacking. If you eat the standard American diet foods that I presented in this video that consisted of cereal, a sandwich, chips, pasta, and a scoop of ice cream, you will have consumed about 1,400 calories and 175 grams of carbohydrates. If you make these 5 swaps, you consume about the same number of calories, but less than 66 grams of carbs. That is a savings of 112.5 carbs in a single day. That low carb level will keep your blood sugar steady and your insulin levels low, which is a state that encourages your body to burn fat. There are a lot of advantages to reducing the carbohydrate content of your diet, and I hope this video shows you that a low-carb diet can be delicious and satisfying. If you'd like to learn more about which foods are low carb, I have a list of 100 low carb foods that you can download, and I will point to that list in this video and in the description area below. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when my next video is released. Thanks.